the main message here?
Look, protecting your crops from pests and diseases, it's just a constant ongoing battle, isn't it? But it's absolutely vital for maintaining your yield, your quality, and ultimately, your revenue. We've talked about the main culprits, those 4 big fungal diseases. We've looked at the changing chemical landscape, why options are getting fewer, the rise of resistance. We've explored the potential and current limitations of biological controls. And we've really hammered home the critical importance of top-notch hygiene and having a solid integrated pest management strategy in place.
That balance between effective control on one hand and sustainable, safe practices on the other seems absolutely key. We've covered prevention, current tools, but let's look ahead. Here's where it gets really interesting. What kind of future tech might be coming down the line to help growers in this fight?
Well, imagine this, robotic pickers, but equipped with something called hyperspectral imaging technology.
Hyperspectral imaging, what's that?
It's advanced imaging that goes beyond what our eyes see. It could take detailed images of your crop and analyze the light reflected back at different wavelengths, the molecular reflections and absorptions. The idea is it could potentially detect the very subtle biochemical changes that happen when a disease starts, maybe even before you can see visible symptoms. Real-time, early detection.
Wow, so catching disease almost before it starts.
That's the potential, yeah. It could drastically speed up response times, make those early interventions, like targeted salting or maybe even targeted BCA application, much more effective because you're hitting it right at the very beginning. Now, it's still in early development for mushrooms. It's not on every farm tomorrow,